Lanjut ke gedung sebelah.
Hi, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Kelihatan nggak boleh tutup. Hah? Nggak boleh tutup. Enggak, maksudnya
So we can come here. You see it's cold here, right?
semua pakai akses.
It's a very heavy door.
Thank you. Hangat ini enak. Iya. Hah? Oh. Oh, tahu.
Here is the exhibition that we have. Here you can photograph. It's okay. The exhibition that we have here. So the concert was here. You know, all this area here. The 75 birthday anniversary was in here. And another thing that Adidas is doing right now in the campus, they are planting loads of trees. So all these trees that you see here, they are baby trees that they're putting more and more and more to have a very green area. You know? Yeah, the idea is to have a green jungle in the close future. Yeah. For you guys to understand, the menu happens like this. We can check in the web what's the menu for the day. So you can pick if you wanna have lunch in halftime or if you wanna have lunch in Spikes. I show you the other Stripes. No, Stripes. It's the restaurant. Yeah, Stripes. Sorry, I get confused. Too many names. And usually when you're talking about your house, you don't pay much attention. So here is the...
Amazing.
Yeah, so here, this you can photograph. This is okay. The exposition here.
Anjir. Melbourne, the first Adidas City Series.
Jakarta, Meksiko. Olimpiade Meksiko 68. Olimpiade Tokyo 64. Gokil. Itu top secret.
Oh yeah.
Ini sih ya top secret. Ini
I was talking
made
about
in Indonesia Panaruk, cuma sampel doang. Ini yang paling top nih. Kalau melihat dari sambanya, patternnya motong pakai laser. Strip-stripnya detail segala macam gokil. Ini gue punya Adidas Gazelle 2008 Austria, tapi ini ngambil temanya 96 Paul Gascoigne. Inggris sebagai tuan rumah Piala Eropa. Ini yang baru Adidas apa? Made in Germany.
It's very good. Very good. We will facilitate now.
Vintage. Sebelum jadi superstar, awalnya super grip dulu, terus dia berevolusi jadi superstar. Ini dipakai sama Randy MC. Gokil. Superstar. Ini Adidas. Adidas SL72, tapi yang tahun 95. Maaf, tahun 75. Sebelah sini banyak lagi. Predator. Gokil. Kolaborasi pertama Adidas dengan Stella McCartney tahun 2002. Gokil, udah lebih dari 22 tahun yang lalu. Ini juga yang 2005. Beberapa evolusi dari Predator. Ini Predator pertama tahun 94. Yang kedua Predator ditantangin sama Alexi Lalas, pemain timnas Amerika. Ini tantangin sama Paul Gascoigne. Ini sama Zinedine Zidane. Gokil. Ini gue rasa masih made in Panaruk nih, made in Indonesia nih.
How are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
Can I introduce you to some people that have a beautiful
Ini
story and you
sama
have a beautiful story too?
Kakak,
Yeah,
One
of
second.
course, of course.
Guys,
Bang Lampard.
can you
Masya Allah. Naik sepeda Adidas di kantor pusatnya
I'm really trouble with PRB, Linda.
di kota
Because I
Herzogenaurach.
I put
Kita
all the
lagi
styles
muter-muter
at
nih
your
di sini.
factory,
Gokil
and
juga
they
ya.
were complaining that I didn't put nothing there.
Good. That is good.
It's good for you, but for me, trouble.
Why?
You know.
Sepeda
Fahim is
biru
not happy with me.
langsung di markasnya
But-
Adidas di kota
But Linda,
Herzogenaurach,
I feel like
Jerman.
last factory trip we had was like crazy. You know, I wanna make sure that we have a healthier one this season. Yeah, always crazy. So here we kinesthetic and kinesthetic and another one I forget, but you know, spotty. I'm not so spotty. Yeah.
Yose is the
Come to Laces.
amazing. Selamat sore da people. Kita lagi diajak jalan-jalan sama Mas Yose di kantor pusatnya Adidas di kota Herzogenaurach, Jerman. Gokil dan people kantornya.
Nontonin dari situ.
Makasih banget nih buat Mas Yose yang udah ngajak kita keliling-keliling.
Deso makin mahal.
Oh,
Kok Herzog itu lebih mahal dari Erlangen. Erlangen lebih mahal dari Nuremberg.
alasannya
Karena ya semua pengen
tinggal di desa.
tinggal di desa, space out gitu dari kebisingan kota.
Oh,
Polusi. Ya,
Tahu nggak
Sini
lo tolak
orang-
belakang sama apa? Jepang.
iya Jepang di kotanya mahal banget.
Jepang kotanya mahal banget karena pada pengen yang di desa pada cabut semua, tinggal orang
Pengen ngerantau.
Sini mereka
Iya. Kayak moto di itu di patung.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a crazy love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan.
Thank you.
expect you guys to attend, so I already booked it at like 9:30. You know, but it'll be up all day. So don't worry. Not yet. Look at it later. All right, so this is the newest building that we.
Martin, tell me about this building.
All right, so this here is. Oh, sorry. Let's wait for these people to kind of pass by. Usually it's super crowded here, but you know, it's Friday. That's why I thought we'd do this on Friday. It's nice and quiet on campus. Not everybody wants to be on that camera. That's Jack. He works on our team. He's been doing Terrace for the last couple of seasons. So he did Bali, he did Java.
Thank you for your work.
Nice to meet you. I'm just going to drop my stuff off.
Yeah, cool. We'll be around here. I think we'll go up the hill after this, and then just walk down. Otherwise, just shoot me a message, all right? Yeah, cool.
You do the Bali?
Manager, work together with our designer Jamie to work on Bali and Java.
Oh my god. To meet the person who make it happen.
This is the newest building on campus. Really big building. When we look upstairs, we see all the floors. A lot of great stuff happening here. A lot of number crunching. Later on, we'll take it to Laces, where more of the creative stuff happens. But this is where a lot of people come in the first time you visit Adidas. You know, you pass through that beautiful entranceway with all the feet of the iconic Adidas athletes and things like that. So for a lot of people, this is like the introduction, the first time they ever visit campus.
Thank you.
Yeah, too bad. Sorry.
Oh, it's closed.
Yes.
Pegawai yang udah masuk ruang arena biasa langsung naik sepeda ke situ tuh. Udah pada habis dipakai.
So yeah, I'm glad the weather is better.
Not like yesterday, right?
He didn't get
Di
to
sebelah
see
kiri
those.
kanannya ada kantin pegawai ya.
So we have a lot of like sports facilities all
Kemarin
over
seharian
campus.
hujan gerimis, makanya jalanannya agak basah. Lagi. Sepanjang jalan tadi lucu ya, ada ini trampolin ini bener-bener
Near all the fields where we have stuff that you can use, so the balls are there,
jelek.
pictures and stuff like that.
Di sini ada lapangan bola. Biasa dipakai buat main para pegawai. Ada minum gratis juga. Tinggal ambil aja di sini.
Yes, yeah. So there are multiple sports that can be played here. There are, you know, little ball, all of this space. You know, we never could be able to fit into a city. And also, you know, just having all this room and the fresh air, and you know, you can go on runs. If you come here early in the morning, see Björn, the CEO, you know, doing his laps around.
Ada tempat buat olahraga juga. Ini lantainya empuk banget ini. Memang benar-benar buat olahraga di sini.
Which is not full access.
Thank you. Dengan bola legend nih, the people. Tim-tim besar banyak latihan di sini.
So quite often we have teams visit us here on campus, football teams, rugby teams, etc. And then they use this space to practice.
To practice.
So usually they're on the other side of campus. We'll take you there later, and then they take the bikes. They bike over here, and then if you're on that side of the building, you can just look out and see the German national team play, or Arsenal or Ajax.
This is the old football soccer, right? This
Yeah.
is the old one.
So we called it the Adidas Sport.
Welcome.
Ini lapangan pertamanya.
Beautiful.
Bagus banget ya itu.
So don't walk on the grass, please.
Ya,
Can I touch the grass?
No one's watching. Do our practices, sometimes an exhibition game.
tim kayak
So if you're right
Ajax,
there
Arsenal,
on the building,
biasa
you have like perfect view of everything that's
suka
going on
latihan
right
di
here.
sini. sah lah ya megang inian.
Football star training.
So that's where I park in the morning.
Di samping
Yeah, let's go
lapangan
straight
bola,
to the building there.
wall climbing.
Your office here?
Yeah, I'm in places.
Buat
No, because this is the creative zone. So we stay close to design,
yang bener-bener
so we can
kayak
talk about products and stuff.
komplek olahraga nih. Tapi nggak bisa sembarangan masuk ya, the people. Ini ada akses yang harus di tap in, kayak masuk stadion tadi.
And that right there is the gym.
Nah ini tuh people, gedung yang katanya zaman habis perang, waktu perang dunia kedua jadi barak militer Amerika Serikat. Gedungnya masih dipertahanin, bentuk aslinya masih gede banget tuh people. Di sebelahnya ada buat main voli pantai. Ya sekali lagi ini mirip banget kayak komplek olahraga. Cabang olahraga apa ya yang belum ada di sini? Nah ini lucu nih people. Ada mesin pemotong rumput otomatis. Mereknya Husky. Udah kayak motor trail nih people. Sebelah sana juga.
Always on.
Yeah, they're always.
Seperti yang gue katakan tadi, ada di mana-mana itu mesin motongnya. Nah ini tempat namanya Homegrown ya people, dimana klub-klub yang berafiliasi dari Adidas bisa nginep di sini. Nggak cuma klub ya, atau atlet-atlet yang berafiliasi dengan Adidas bisa nginep sini dan harus pakai akses, nggak boleh sini. Oke, yuk kita balik lagi. Seperti yang gue bilang tadi, di kampus ini banyak banget sepeda, ada di mana-mana buat mudahin akses para pegawai atau pekerja buat keliling sini. Jadi pakai sepeda. Ini bukan listrik ya guys.
Last time, if I'm not mistaken,
Ini pakai
Juventus, right?
diinjek.
Yes, I wasn't on campus then.
Kemarin gue
so
dicoba
I'm
ini
not 100% sure, but
ganti
yeah.
gigi atau persneling.
I mean, we've had a lot over the
Halus
last
banget.
couple of years, of course.
Nggak berisik gitu, nggak kretek-kretek gitu. Kita
It's an
lanjut.
extra perk when you're in Adidas. Vans before they moved out west.
Yes.
They were
Ikonik banget
in
nih.
Boston. So obviously
Oiling.
Nike went over to Portland and
Ini fasilitas swimming pool atau kolam renang ya people. Jadi aksesnya juga terbatas, hanya bisa pegawai atau orang yang bekerja di sini. Ukurannya juga ya sesuai standar Olimpik. Di dalam ada ruang gantinya, sama kemarin kita lihat ada beberapa produk keluaran Adidas untuk swimming. Yuk kita lanjut lagi. Di samping kolam renang ada fasilitas buat main tenis. Bagus banget lapangannya dari people. Yuk kita jalan lagi. Argentina inspirasi. Mexicana 68, Venezuela 70, Adelaide 72, Astitan 72, Munchen Super 72, Stan Smith sama Robert Haya 73, Billie Jean King 74 nih, match play yang sekarang, yang dulunya jadi Arthur AC sekarang jadi match play namanya. Miracle of Burn.
You know Mexicana, right?
Yes.
Asking. Sepatu bola Gerard Muller 74. Olimpiade Montreal 76. Adidas Gymnasium for Nadia Comaneci Jogging All Round 78. Handball Special 77 buat baseball. Terakhir maraton Atlanta 93. Atlanta 983. Copa Mundial 82. Ivari High 86. Randy MC Ultrastar tanda tangan. Adidas Torsion 89. Dipakai sama Andreas Brehme waktu World Cup timnas Jerman 90. Lihat di pinggirannya nggak ada sambungan, juara dunia. Italia 90. Adidas Equipment melompat jauh 92. Predator angkatan pertama nih. Ini pakai sama David Beckham. Sepatu buat rugby 99. Ada Klimakol
Tonight we upload it on our drive and we clean our
ada Zero Reputed dipakai sama Bastian Schweinsteiger. Richard Kraft. Dari si Adidas dulu ngedevelop langsung sama atletnya.
So, you are cooking? I feel so. Always Monday with Clever's cooking class.
I already told you.
Bentar.
He invented some stuff. He was just
Meja
creating
kerja pertamanya dari Dassler.
The name. Yeah.
Ini gelas-gelas kaca ini dipakein lilin, terus diisi air, bikin pantulan, bikin dia jadi fokus di bagian sini. Jadi zaman dulu kan belum ada lampu atau senter, belum ada listrik, jadi pakai ini. Gokil lihat people. Zaman dulu belum ada mesin, jadi manual pakai tenaga manusia. Ini fungsinya alat buat buffing. Tuh, ntar ini di ujung sini.
Here you see the box on the left drawer.
Yes.
Funny like
Tuh, di bagian ujungnya buat ngebuffing. Gokil lihat people.
She has a picture. You know Ina, right? Ina Hoyman. She's still in the rep.
And she has a picture like when she was.
Ini nama gedungnya Halftime alias kantin. Dan di sini ada beberapa arsip dari des masa lampau. Oke, ini dipakai sama Wilma Rudolph. Ini Mexico City. Ini Billy Mills. Dan other people. Ini ada Top Secret. Ada beberapa samba sama rilisan spesial nih. Nah ini nih, dulu pernah ada bocorannya dari table. Keren banget, uppernya di laser. Dulu kalau nggak salah yang punya ini Gilbert nih, yang punya nih. Ini gue sempet punya ini nih, Adidas Gazelle 2008, Euro Cup 2008, tapi temanya England tahun 96. Dia sebagai tuan rumah Piala Eropa 96. Ini ada Stan Smith, Mark Gonzalez. Nah ini nih, asal mulanya Superstar itu dari Super Grip. Ini Superstar originalnya tahun 69. Nah ini Run DMC yang udah tanda tanganin. Ini SL72. Di sini ada SL72 yang diproduksi tahun 75 dan ada beberapa aparel. Ada kolaborasi pertama dengan Stella McCartney. Di sini ada tema buat lari. Ini mencahin maraton nih. Ada Pak Dizios. Ini seri sepak bola. F50 tahun 2004. F50 8 unit 2008 2014. Desainnya Mayoji Yamamoto yang limited edition.
Well, you got that.
Not much. Yeah.
I think they're gonna do a second one.
Yeah, of course.
Belum. Ada miniatur gambaran ruang kerjanya si Adolf Dassler di awal berdirinya. Ini yang ditambahin stripnya satu lagi, jadinya 3 garis. Bisa dilihat tuh yang tengah-tengah tuh stripnya tambahan dari triple ya. Ini di awal pendiriannya. Ini awal pendiriannya 18 Agustus 49. Nah, ini ada kartu nama si Adolf Dassler zaman dulu. Namanya masih ada sudah triple ya. Karena ada kemiripan nama Adas jadinya ditambahin I jadinya Adidas. Nah, ini awal pendirian waktu mereka masih berdua. Juli 1924. Sepatu yang dipakai Olimpik tahun 1928 ya. Gokil, leather masih bagus banget. Hampir 100 tahun yang lalu di sepatu. Samping gedung ini ada kantin. Tadi kita makan siang di situ. Sekarang kita lanjut ke archive atau ke arsip. Habis makan, lanjut ke gedung sekolah, gedung leses buat ke archive. Naik sepeda, di sini banyak banget sepeda. Kemana-mana naik sepeda. Dingin banget, kayak di Dieng. Ya lumayan naik sepeda. Udah masuk mau musim dingin nih, alias mau winter, makanya udaranya dingin banget. Tuh tadi ada lapangan tenis lagi, biasa buat main. Tadi gue makan chicken curry, lumayan enak, dengan nuker voucher sebagai visitor. Seperti yang gue cerita, sepeda ini enak banget ganti giginya, tinggal diputar dikit, nggak bunyi kretek, halus banget bunyinya. Hari udah sampai duluan di gedung leses. Anginnya kenceng banget people. Oke, kita parkir sepedanya di sini. Kita mau ke archive ya, alias tempat nyimpen arsip-arsip. Kita parkir sepedanya dulu di sini. Mulai dari sini.
send out orders to a couple of factories and get
Exactly.
samples in to see
How
what
they are
created.
doing. Exactly.
That is a next level of storytelling that we haven't explored.